I am Alshi Sharma and today I am going to participate in the storytelling competition of English. So the title of the story is The Honest Painter. Once upon a time, there was a painter named Jack. He was very poor. So he went the nearby villages and tried to find work. But as he was poor, so he didn't get any work. But one day, the landlord of his village called him and said, Jack, I want this boat to be painted till this evening because my family is going on a boat trip and I wanted this boat painted till evening. So Jack said, okay sir, your work will be completed. So then the landlord asked, how much payment will you take for your service? So Jack was honest, so he said, my master, you can pay me according to your wish. So the landlord said, okay, I will pay you rupees 1500 for your work. Jack agreed and went to work. When he was painting the boat, he saw a hole in the boat. He thought that I should fill this hole. Otherwise, the landlord will be angry on me and I would not get any money. So he filled the hole and then painted the boat. Then he told to the landlord that the boat was painted. Then the landlord's family went on their boat trip. Then suddenly the servant of the landlord came and worriedly asked the landlord, Master, where is your family? So the landlord told him, there is nothing to be panicked. They are going on a boat trip. They will be here soon. So the servant breathed in relief and said, hey my master, there was an error in the boat. Then the landlord asked, what was the error? What is the problem? The boat was perfect and it got painted also. Then what is the problem? So he said, there was a hole in that boat. Now they will drown in the river. May God save them. Then they came back. Then the landlord became so panicked. But after few moments, the family of the landlord came back home safely. To see them back home safely, the landlord was so happy. But he was thinking that who would fill the boat in the hole of the boat? So the next day when Jack came to take his payment, that time he asked Jack that have you filled the hole of the boat? Then Jack told, yes sir, I filled the hole of the boat for you. I wanted that your family returned back home safely. Then the landlord was very happy from Jack's honesty. He gave him a big house and he also gave him much money that he could live his life comfortably. And all lived happily. So the moral of the story is, honesty is the best policy. Whenever we should start a work, we should be honest and we should try to do our best. Thank you.